Oh. Hey guys, that wasn't me. This is me. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an FM conversion on your typical 1968 Chrysler AM-8 track. Customer has requested the internal conversion to add FM and greatly increased output power, so I've got it set to AM at the moment, so let's turn her on.
Daniel's Jewelers is the proud sponsor of the trip around the diamond. When the D-backs hit a home run, they're giving you a choice.
Okay, and while we've got, naturally that's a crappy sounding AM, let's test the virtual fader. We know the balance works. Fader adjust. Okay, so now your tone control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance. Adjust it as long as you want to, and then when you stop,
when buying your new car,
like I'm going to do right now,
Tim Hovick, owner of Santan.
Fader set. Okay, let's take it back to the radio. Wanted to make sure we had all 4 speakers. We're going to switch to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. And I'm just going to be real quick with each station so I don't get nailed for copyright infringement.
With a theme of storms and clear skies from 5 to 9 on Arizona Public Radio.
Prescott Quad Cities.
Okay, Prescott Quad Cities. What else are we going to do? Weird sound effect. There we go.
You had to have a white.
Okay, not much in the middle of the dial in my area.
Operations continue and relief efforts.
That one's not coming at you good.
Ian Panel has more.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Got the 8-track set pretty hot. I want to. Okay, blank spot there. Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back by itself. And let's make sure the dial light works. You may not be able to see it, but I can. You can just barely see it getting lighter and darker as I press and release that button. So she's ready to go back. Thank you so much. This comes from Al in Loveland, Colorado. And as I mentioned before, this is out of a 68 Chrysler of some sort. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And I can add FM to your AM radio. I can add a lot more output power. I can also add Bluetooth, HD, USB reader, aux input, and who knows what else will be available by the time you're ready to do business with me. So, thanks so much for watching and listening. My website is in the description below, and my phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks for watching and listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.